Today we will start the lesson 5th, that is principles of inheritance and variation of unit 2. So first of all we should know the basic terms. First is inheritance. So inheritance is the process in which there is transfer of characters from parents to offsprings. So the characters may be like color, hair color, height, or any other character. So if suppose the father is black, the mother is white, means skin color is white, then the offspring or the zygote will form offspring which will have the characters of both the parents, that is black as well as white, or combination of both. So how these characters are transferred from parents to offsprings is known as inheritance, ਜਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਰਾਸਤ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So next is that DNA information is contained, all the information is contained in the DNA. So all the characters, or what we have discussed here, all these characters, they are present in the DNA. So the sperms of the father as well as ova of the mother, they have their genetic material DNA. They will form the offspring, and the DNA of both the parents, that will be present in the offspring. So what is DNA? It is deoxyribonucleic acid, or the genetic material which carries information from parents to offspring. Now next important definition is variation. Variation means the offspring which is formed after fertilization of the sperm and the egg. The offspring will have difference of some characters from the parents. So this is variation. Now let us take another example. Ova, it has mother's DNA. Sperm, it has father's DNA. Zygote formed, it has DNA of both father as well as mother. Half the genetic material is from mother, half the genetic material is from the father. So the new individual have DNA of both the parents. Next कि mango seeds will always form mango plant, because some of the characters which are present in the seed, they will pass to the plant. So offsprings are not identical or not similar to their parents. There is some difference. Siblings means brothers and sisters, they look similar to each other or they may be different. Next important definition is genetics, anuvanshikta. It deals with the inheritance as well as variation. So it is a branch of science which deals with transmission of characters, that is inheritance as we have discussed earlier, and variation, that means the difference. So it is a study which deals with the inheritance and variations. So these characters which are transferred from one generation to another, they are passed due to the genes. Genes, they are the present on the DNA. DNA is a part of chromosome. So first chromosome is formed of DNA. DNA has genes which are passed from parents to offsprings. So next is heredity. Heredity means inheritance leads to heredity. So inheritance of characters, that means transmission of characters, will lead to heredity, means khandani. सो वेरिएशन इफ वी हैव टू गिव द डेफिनेशन, इहदा मतलब है कि इज़ द डिग्री बाय विच प्रोजेनी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स। डिग्री किन्ना को डिफरेंस है उहदे विच और पेरेंट्स दे विच, पेरेंट्स दे नालों ऑफस्प्रिंग्स दे विच किन्ना क डिफरेंस है। So next important definition is inheritance is the process by which characters are passed on from parents to progeny. It is the basis of heredity. So heredity means the inheritance which leads to heredity. So important definitions is lesson here. Then next earlier ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ancestors ਸੀ they also produced new varieties. So earlier new plants and animals they were produced by selective breeding as well as artificial selection. So ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ plants ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, that is selective breeding. Selective breeding means कि method adopt ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ desirable characters ਨੂੰ obtain ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. Suppose this is a fruit with the good fruits are good but this plant has disease. Another plant है, इधर fruits are not good but there is no disease, so they cross both the plants and the offspring which was produced it had good quality of fruits as well as good quality of the plant was there, ਉਹਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ disease ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ artificial selection ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ancestors ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ। सो select एक आर्टिफिशियल सिलेक्शन भी है, जिस तरह की वाइल्ड काउस है ए सपोज ए एंड बी और उन्होंने तो प्रोड्यूस होंगी है सहीवाल काओ। सो सहीवाल काओ दैट इज़ प्रोड्यूस बाय आर्टिफिशियल सिलेक्शन और इहदा मिल्क प्रोडक्शन काफ़ी अच्छा है, डिजीज़ नहीं होंगी और हीट नूं भी टोलरेट कर लेंदी है। बट जिहड़े साडे एंसैस्टर्स सी दे हैड नो आइडिया ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस और वेरीएशन, सो साइंटिफिक नॉलेज नहीं सी। लेटर ऑन जिहड़ा इनहेरिटेंस जिहड़ा कि अगे स्टडी किया गया। सो these were the basic definitions.